We purchased this old church back last October in 2021, and it's taken us almost a whole year to get it back to the point where we need it to be for it to be our retail store. It was built in 1894, and it needs a little bit of work to get it back up to where we need it to be so that we can use it as a shop. This church was deconsecrated back in 1955, and it's been a residence until now.
I think this wall's coming down next.
Oh!
I didn't know my own strength.
Cody is up here. He's eyeballing. He's supervising the demo work right now. Look at the wood floors under here, though. I'm so excited.
Watch out for that light. All the electrical's off anyways, but we want to keep it level with the wood floor. Really full all the way to the top. Second roll off is coming. We're making progress. Yep. It comes in handy to have a brother who's 6'4". 6'5".
We're saving all this old lath because we're gonna make stuff out of it.
Waste not, want not. So hopefully when we're all done, we'll have 750 tiny little plants that we can plant in our garden. This area doesn't look like much now, but it's 1,000 square feet of unused space. This muddy situation from a pipe breaking is what Zeb's doing today.
Under these all the way?
Yeah.
We'll have to pressure wash that off. That's actually kind of cool if it's under there all the way. This is the one day we have, so we're out here working in the rain.
The sheep are so happy over here. We're always going to have fond memories of our first little shop. We made it through COVID in this shop. I figured out what it was to really be a shopkeeper and really learned so much. I really loved all the people that came to visit us here. We're taking out the last 2 displays. See our signs in the window, we're gonna scrape it out. It looks big, but it also looks small. We fit a lot of stuff in here.
So much stuff. Oh, we're leaving our stencil remnant. The landlord said we didn't have to repaint that.
Oh yeah, he said it was toll painting or something, I don't know. It was like, that's a Jami Ray original. So he also let us leave the pegboards, so that was nice. We still gotta get the clock and this table, but this is our old clothing room. And then here's the old studio. Seb's taking out our built-in cabinets, but this is where it all started. Originally, there was a wall there, and this little tiny space was our very first retail store. Then after a year, we tore down that wall, we expanded into here, and a year later, we expanded into the rest of the place. But I think it's been a good place. It's been a good home. It did us well, and I'm just glad that we can be done, because this has been a lot of work. What do you think, Seb?
I'm gonna miss it because it was our first store together, but I'm also glad to look forward to the future at our new place. Last piece going in the giant display. Does it fit? We got a discount because it was hamburgers. We saved 70%. We're at the shop working on displays, getting these ready to hang clothes. I'll show you a quick little snippet. This one is going to hold paintbrushes, and it's gonna have DIYs, mixing powders, as well as Bohemian Brights. And then on the other side, I'll have to get up against the wall, we're gonna have salt wash. So it's getting exciting in here. These were leaning up against the wall at the other shop. We don't have a wall here, so I'm just putting a board in between them. We're gonna find the place where they're gonna live forever, and I'm gonna anchor them into the floor.
That's a serious decision.
You gotta make it in about 5 minutes.
We'll see what I do. The commitment has been made. I feel like this is really the only spot that's not gonna block the windows too much, so we just decided to put it between the windows, and we're gonna screw it to the floor, and hopefully I never wanna move it. If I do, I'm really good with wood putty.